Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PED. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very, very nice movement today, not only from a price action perspective, but when you look down here at the volume, you can see that the volume by far was the biggest this chart has had for quite a while. So let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. First level of support is what I would call the ideal level. When you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can stay up here above the $2.35 mark. Don't get me wrong though, if the price falls below $2.35, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can manage to stay up above that level, that would certainly be a huge sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at things from more so a big picture point of view, that is where the purple line here comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, this right here being defined as the move, just watch that line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, no questions asked. Again, yeah, staying above 235 would be great. However, at the end of the day, as long as the price does stay above that purple line, then the bulls are in 100% control of the chart. What about levels of resistance? As far as where the sellers were hanging out at, initial level is going to be basically kind of the top portion of this little channel pattern here that formed in the late afternoon. And that's right there at about $2.70. If the bulls can fight up through 270, then the next key hurdle to keep an eye on right up there at about $3.10. So all in all, no doubt about it, very nice movement today. Nice volume. Now it's just a question of can the bulls start to build higher bases going forward? We shall see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.